So, ma'am, now tell us why Effective Project Management Academy over others.
So, what differentiates us from others? Both of us have industry experience of 35 plus years and last 15 years, I'm sorry. 15 years we have been training project managers. This examination is about knowledge, experience and wisdom. I'm repeating that every time. So that experience the students may not have, but they get to share our experience. We talk about the entire exam content in terms of stories. So we're great story to tellers, both of us. We tell them stories in a way that they understand the subject matter and they also understand how to practically use it on the project. So there are two benefits. One is they can actually start using everything on the project, and the second one is they can definitely pass the examination, because the examination is about that. Whether you are a good project manager or not. Who's a good project manager? Somebody who can use the best practices, standards, and on the project is a good project manager. So you learn that, you become a good project manager, and you are able to pass the examination. What more one should want when somebody is joining this training, right?
Can I add one word in this? Uh, at EPMA, we do not hire any other trainer from outside. The training is either given by Satish Kamath, that is myself, or Vaijayanti. That is and our phone numbers are available to the students all the time from the day one when he joins. Okay, and he can ask us doubts, difficulties, not only from exam angle, even for those practical problems that come on there, we tell them we are competent to help you. So please ask this question, because for us, student once is a student for lifetime for us. Okay, so there are many people who have passed PMP, but still there are hundreds of them, and they are still in contact with us. So that is the difference.